Hello friends, in today's video we present how to develop the best morning study routines for students, the top 9 tips. Friends, are you looking for a way to boost your productivity and achieve academic success? Well, look no further, because in this video we will be sharing the top 9 tips to develop the best morning study routines for students in order to excel in exams and become a topper. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first tip is wake up early. Setting your alarm for an earlier time might seem difficult at first, but it's essential for making the most of your morning. By waking up early, you'll have more time to study and focus on your tasks before the day gets busy. Friends, the second tip is exercise. Starting your day with a bit of exercise is a great way to wake up your body and mind. Not only does it boost your energy levels, but it also helps to improve your focus and concentration. Friends, the third tip is plan your day. Before you begin your studies, take a few minutes to plan out your day. This will help you to stay organized and focused on your goals. Friends, the next step is start with the most challenging tasks. Tackle your most challenging tasks first thing in the morning when you are fresh and alert. This will help you to make the most of your time and avoid procrastination. Friends, the next step is take periodic breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. So, set a timer for 25 minutes and work on your studies, and then take a 5 minutes break. Repeat this process throughout your morning study session. Friends, the next step is create a study environment. Set up a dedicated study space that is comfortable and free of distractions. Make sure that you have all the necessary materials and resources on hand in order to make your studying sessions more efficient. Friends, the seventh tip is incorporate mindfulness. Try to start your mornings with a few minutes of meditation or mindfulness practice. This can help to clear your mind and can also help to improve focus and concentration. Friends, the next step is listen to music. Create a playlist of instrumental music or classical music that can help you to focus and concentrate. Music can help to block out distractions and can improve your ability to study. Friends, the ninth tip is use flashcards. Create flashcards with key information from your studies in order to review in the morning. This is an effective way to memorize important facts and figures. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to develop the best morning study routines for students, the top 9 tips. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.